I hope you understand what is the subject today. Yes, today I will unbox Redmi 9 Prime and also give a review in this smartphone. Yes, this is very good phone in only 10,000 rupees. So, I am Jyoti Saha. You are watching JS Technical video. Let's start. So, here the parcel of the Redmi 9 Prime I bought from Flipkart. You can also buy this, so check the description of this video, and you also buy this from the official website of MI, that is mi.com. So let's unbox this. Let's start from display. It has 16.58 centimeter, that means 6.52 inches display. It supports high resolution and with eye protection. Adapter. This is the adapter, and this is the Type C USB cable. It is 10-watt charging adapter, and its battery, it includes 5020 mAh fast charging battery. It supports 18-watt charging. And processor is the most important thing of smartphone. Redmi 9 Prime has MediaTek Helio G80 processor. It helps multitask and gaming smoothly. And also internal storage. It has two types of internal storage. Number one, 64 GB, and number two is 128 GB. But RAM is only one type, just 4 GB. And one of the most important things of display, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And camera. Redmi 9 Prime's camera is not very good, but good. and we love to capture selfie and images. So it has 30 megapixel wide angle lens and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 5 megapixel macro lens and also 2 megapixel depth sensor. You can capture a very beautiful portrait image by the 2 megapixel depth sensor. And selfie, it has 8 megapixel front camera, so you can capture very good selfie in this smartphone. And now let's talk about the unlock features. It has rear fingerprint sensor and also AI face unlock sensor. And other features is it has 3.5 mm jack point and Type-C USB point. And also in the up you have IR remote sensor. That means you can use this phone to control your AC, your set-top box and your TV. So if you want to buy this, then don't hesitate, buy this smartphone, because this is very good smartphone in the range of 10,000 rupees. If you want to buy this, then check the description of this video, and please like this video and share to your family and friend, and also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get exclusive update of my channel. Thank you. See you next video.